Today video is going to see alkenes. Okay, the structural isomers alkenes. Presence of double bond in alkane provides the possibility of both structural and geometrical isomerism. The structural isomerism, the first one, the two membrane ethene, C2H4 and propane C3H6 do not have isomers because the carbon atoms in the molecules can be arranged only one distinct way. Okay, however, from the third number of alkene family, butane C4H10 structural isomerism excites. Okay, the first one, butene. Okay, butene 1 2 3 4 4 carbons of presence, so butene. Okay, the butene means the 1 2 3 4 carbons of presence, but the double bond formations of the ene. Okay, the first place, second place, third place, fourth place. So first one place of double bond formation, carbon to carbon double bond formation, so one ene. Okay, the second one, 1 2 3 4 4 carbons of present, but so double bond formations of 1 2 3 4. Second carbon to third carbons of two carbon to carbon, two bond formations of presence. Okay, the carbon to carbon double bond of presence in. Okay, the third one of 1 2 3 1 2 3 prop, the second place of methyl group presence, the first group of 1 2 3, first group of double bond formation, carbon to carbon double bond formation. It is called IUPAC name 2 methyl 1 propene, 2 methyl prop 1 ene. Okay, the second one, geometrical isomerism, and the structure 1 2 are position isomer structure, 1 3 second third are chain isomerization. Okay, chain isomerization, the first one structure. The next one, geometrical isomerization, it is a type of stereo isomerism and it's also called cis-trans isomerism. Okay, the such type of isomerism result due to the radiations of doubly bonded carbon atoms. If the similar group lie on the same side, then the geometrical isomers are called cis isomers. When the similar group lie on the opposite side, it is called a trans isomers. Okay, the for example geometrical isomers for 2-butane is exposed as follows. The first one example, cis, the same size of the methyl group present, the opposite side hydrogen presence, so cis 2-butene. Okay, cis 2-butene, same side of methyl group present, the opposite same hydrogen presence. Okay, the second one example, trans 2-butane, the opposite side, the first one side the CH3 hydrogen present, the CH3 presence, opposite methyl group presence. Okay, so the trans butane, the half of paired, the not same. Okay, the order wise of different, so trans to butene. Okay, the second one, general methods of preparations of alkenes. Preparations, the first one, preparations of alkane by dehydration, same the alkane preparations of dehydration, and preparations of alkanes from alkynes, preparations of alkanes by dehydration, halogenations of haloalkanes, preparations of alkanes from vicinal dihalogen, derivative of alkanes are vicinal dihalides. The fifth one, preparations of ethane by Kolff electrolyte method. Okay, the first one discuss preparations of alkene by dehydrations of alcohol. Okay, the first one, ethanol. The ethanol react to 430 degrees Celsius to 440 Kelvin with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid. So a molecules of water from alcohol is removed and an alkane is formed. This reaction is called elimination reactions. So the OH group of elimination. Okay, the elimination reaction OH group of elimination. So the product of ethane. Okay. The second one discuss preparations of alkenes from alkynes. The first one 2-butane. Alkane can be reduced to cis alkanes using Linder's crystal catalyst. Okay, this reaction is stereospecific, giving only the cis alkanes. The first one discuss about C3 single bond, C triple bond, C 2-butyl platinum calcium carbonate. Okay, the presence of the product of cis 2-butene. Okay, the alkanes can also be reduced to trans alkanes using sodium in liquid ammonia. This reaction is stereospecific, giving only the trans alkanes. Okay, the 2-butenyl. The preparations of alkanes by dehydration, halogenations, haloalkanes. The discuss haloalkanes react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide eliminate hydrohalides, resulting in the formations of alkenes. Okay, alcoholics, the formations of the alkenes. So 1 bromopropane to prop 1 in. Okay, the fourth one preparations of this is first one, the compound in which two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon 2 atoms are called as vicinal dihalides. When vicinal dihalides are warmed with graduated zinc in methanol, they lose a molecule of zinc to form a alkanes. Okay, the 1,2-dibromoethane. Okay, the ethanes is called heat zinc and methanol. So product to zinc bromide, ethylene zinc bromide, then another ethylene zinc bromide. The next one ethane. Okay, the next one the process of ethane. The fifth one discuss about preparations of ethane by Kolff electrolyte method. The first one, when aqueous solutions of potassium and is electrolyzed between two platinum electrodes, ethane is produced at anode. Okay, potassium anode. The process of the last one product of ethane. Okay, the fifth the preparations of 5 preparations of discuss. Okay, the second one physical properties of alkanes. The first one physical properties, melting point and boiling point of alkanes increasing along the homologous series, like alkanes, straight chain alkanes have high boiling point compared to its isomeric branched alkanes. Okay, the second one point, alkanes are slightly soluble in water but rarely in inorganic solvent. The chemical properties of alkanes. The first one addition of hydrogen. The second one addition of halogenations. The third one addition of water. Fourth one addition of hydrohalides. The fourth one. Okay, the first one discuss about addition of hydrogen. Hydrogen adds on to alkanes in the presence of a metal catalyst. Yield corresponding to nickel, platinum, and to yield corresponding alkanes. This is known as catalyst hydrogenation. This process is called a great importance in the manufacture of vanaspati from vegetable oils. This helps to prevent residences of vegetables oils. Okay, the second one discuss addition of halogenations. The halogenations of when alkenes is treated with the halogenations like chlorine in bromine, additions takes place rapidly and forms 1,2-dihaloalkanes, vicinal dihalides. Okay, the ethane, the process of 1,2-dichloroethane. The process of 1,2-dichloroethane. For example, the test for alkenes, bromine in water is reddish brown color. Okay, when small amount of bromine water is added to an alkenes, the solutions of the solutions of decolorized as it forms dibromo compound. So this the characteristic test for unsaturated compounds. Okay, the understand the Markovnikov rule. When an unsymmetrical alkenes react with hydrogen halide, the halogen adds to the carbon that has more number of hydrogen, and halogens add to the carbon having fewer hydrogen. This rule can also be stated as in the addition reactions of alkene, alkyne. The most electronegative parts of the reagents add onto the least hydrogen attached doubly bonded carbon. Okay, the third one discuss about addition of water hydrations of alkenes. Okay, the hydrations of alkenes. The normally water does not react with alkanes in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Alkenes react with water to form alcohols. This react follows carbocation mechanism and Markovnikov rules. Okay, the fourth one addition of addition of hydrohalides, halogenations of alkenes. Hydrogen halides add to alkane to yield alkyl halides. The order of reactivity of different halides is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrochloric acid. It is an example for electrophilic additions. The first one examples addition of addition of the electrolytic examples. Ethylene group, the hydrogen bromide react to bromoethane. The second one, butene, the product to 2-bromobutane. Okay, this process if hydrohalides, hydrohalogenations of alkenes. Okay, these options B, and additions hydrogen bromide to unsymmetrical alkenes. The first one propane react to hydrogen bromide, so two product produce the first one product of bromopropane, the second one product of 1-bromopropane. Okay, the major product, the second one minor product. The mechanism of considered additions, the hydrogen bromide, the first step of the formations of electrophilic substitutions. So hydrogen bromide is more electronegative than hydrogen. When bonded electron move to void, bromine polarity is developed and it creates an electrophilic H plus, which attaches the double bond to form carbocations as shown below. Okay, the second one, the secondary carbocations is more stable than primary carbocations, and it's or the primary carbocations. Okay, the third one discuss the third one step, the follow the secondary carbon more stable. The third one, bromine ions attached to the secondary carbocations two from the 2-bromobutane, the major product. Consider additions of hydrogen bromide to 3-methyl-1-butane. Here the expected product according to Markovnikov rule is 2-bromo-3-methyl-butane, but the actual major product is 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane. So this is because the secondary carbocations formed during the reactions are arranged to the more stable tertiary carbocations. Okay, the attach of bromine on this tertiary carbocation gives the major product 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 butane, 3 butane, 2-bromo-3-methyl-butane minor product, the major product of the 2-bromo-2-methyl-butane. Okay, the carbonation rearrangement. The tertiary secondary carbocations less stable, the tertiary carbocation more stable. Okay, the bond formations of the less stable, the third tertiary carbocations more stable. Okay, thank you.